Good day. I welcome you all to All Glory Tech Ace. Today I will be configuring router part of this network on InterVlan routing configuration, which happens to be the last part of this topic. Please do well to subscribe to All Glory Tech Ace. In the last video tutorials, we've been able to configure the VLAN aspect of this tutorial, then the trunk and the SSH. Today we will be configuring the router part of this network, and the router part of it will be configured as a router on a stick, meaning that all the gateway of this VLAN will be configured as a sub-interface of a single port. So let's go ahead. So we are going to configure this particular port for this configuration, and it's going to serve as the only port that we are going to use to configure the gateway of all the VLANs. .10 specify that we are configuring the gateway for VLAN 10. Then we specified also 10 to show that we are configuring for VLAN 10. Then we specify the IP address of it. So we replicate the same configuration for VLAN 20 and also VLAN 30. Okay. We need to specify that the interface should not go down. No short. Okay. Do right to save the configuration. Now, having configured the gateway for all our VLAN as a sub-interface of that particular port on the router. So let's check something if we'll be able to pin the gateway from this particular PC which belongs to VLAN 10. So let's check. Let's see. So it's becoming obvious that we cannot reach the gateway, which is 10.1, from this particular PC. The reason for it is that this particular port has not been configured as a trunk. There is a need to configure this particular port as a trunk in order to allow traffic from this PC and the rest of this PC, which belong to different VLAN. So there is a need to configure this port as a trunk in order to allow traffic to pass through and go to the router. So let's configure this as a trunk. All right. So let's save the configuration. So let's check again. Let's check again if we will be able to reach the gateway, which of this particular VLAN, which is 10.1. Yeah, it works. So let's try it again. So it's going to go smoothly now. You can see that 10.1 gateway of this particular VLAN is reachable. So let's also test if we will be able to reach the gateway for the second VLAN, which is VLAN 20. Okay, it's obvious that the gateway of VLAN 20 also is reachable from its PC. Let's check the third VLAN, which is VLAN 30. Okay, so this is also reachable. Yeah, we have come to the end of this tutorial for the configuration of for the configuration of VLAN, trunk, and InterVlan routing. I believe you perfectly understand. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, All Glory Tech is, for all IT solution and for updates of new release on this channel. Thank you.